Oyster card customers using the Jubilee line. Only pay-as-you-go customers who need to start their journey need to touch on the new yellow Oyster card readers. If you are going to or from the National Express services, you need to start your journey. Touch in. If you have a travel card, or if you are going to or from the Central Line, the Docklands Light Railway, or London Overground, you do not need to touch in. Just remember to touch out at your destination to complete your journey.